Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a shop GUI in Roblox Studio. So you have to get into the game in Roblox Studio that you want to add a GUI in. Then you have to go to the workspace section. From there, you go to starter GUI and add a screen GUI. In the screen GUI, you'll have to add a frame. Drag the frame in between your screen. Now you have to edit the frame, so we'll add a text label. Now you can add texts into the label, so I'll just add a shop in there. Then I'll just change the color of the shop menu. So this just changed the label's color. We have to do it in the frame as well. So we'll go to frame, copy the code from here and paste it in here. Now go to text label, change the size of the text to something more visible. You can also use different kinds of fonts, so I'll use the Clipster font. Now go to frame again and add a text button. Shorten the button to one side of the screen. After that, change the text to X so people will know it is a button, and make it a little bit bigger. Now you can change the background color to something more bright so people will know what its purpose is. After that, in the screen GUI, we'll add another button. So we'll add a text button here. It will be our main initiation button of the store UI. So firstly, we'll change its background color to match the shop GUI. Then change the text to shop so people will know it is a shop. And change the text size to something bigger. We'll use the Clipster font in here as well to match everything up. I'll go to frame and make it invisible. And now in the text button, we'll add a local script with the following text. You can see it and copy it in your script file from here. We'll add another for the text button. We'll paste the same script here with some little changes, like change the true to false and delete the frame dot. And now we are done. So if we load into the game, you'll see a shop button on the left side. And if you click on it, the shop menu will open. You can add various items in here for your game, and that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.